Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Shiba Inu wallet browser extension for dApp browsing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Chrome web store. In the search bar, type Shiba Inu wallet. Press the enter key to search. Locate the Shiba Inu wallet browser extension from the search results. Click on the extension to open its details page. Review the information about the wallet to ensure it meets your needs. Click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Wait for the download to complete. Once the installation is finished, you will see a notification. Locate the Shiba Inu wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the icon to open the wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. You can either create a new wallet or import an existing one. If creating a new wallet, once set up, you can access dApps directly through the wallet. Explore various decentralized applications easily with your new wallet extension. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.